Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the sixth module of Microsoft Excel. The title of this project is Charlotte Development, Managing Your Data with Data Tools. It's Excel Module 6 SAM Project P. And if you want me to do this project for you, feel free to text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. I can provide help you in Microsoft Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics for finance related projects. So if you want any help regarding those subjects or any of those not listed, you can text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. What you are going to do, you are going to share the project files with me over the WhatsApp or over the email. I will complete the assignment and send the files back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. So let's get started with the project steps. It has a total of 13 project steps, and we will be doing these project steps. You can do the assignment by watching my video. So let's get started with it. Tishira Rosales is a project assistant for Charlotte Development, a real estate firm specializing in commercial property in North California. She tracks the real estate agents' properties and sales in the Excel workbook and asks for your help in updating and analyzing the data. Go to the Carter Properties worksheets, which lists sales data for the Derek Carter. This is the Carter Properties worksheet. You can see the proper ID, property type, class, city, listing amount, and sales amount. Okay, so the first execution step is that format the range A2 up to F12 as a Excel table with header using olive green table style medium 5. Okay, first of all we have to select the range A2 up to F12. Then you need to go to the home tab, and in the styles group you will find a format as a table. This is olive green medium 5. So search for medium. Olive green table style medium 5. So make sure this is checkbox is checked. That's it. Now you can see that the range that we have selected has been created as a table. Use Carter as the name of the table. So I'm just copying it, and if you click anywhere in the table, you will see a table design tab appear, and here in the properties group you will find table name. So just paste or type the name of the table. In this case we have the Carter. So we are done with the step number 1. Teresa wants you to add a new property for Derek Carter. Add the record shown in table 1 to the end of the Carter table. Okay, I am just copying it and I will paste it to the end of the table. This one, and paste it. Now you see the benefit of table is that whenever you enter a new data, you do not need to select again and again to format as a table. It automatically adopts the formatting and the table properties that we have assigned to it. She also wants you to focus on Derek Carter properties with listing amount over this amount. Okay, use the custom number filter to display only properties with listing amount greater than 1,500,000. This is the listing amount. We have to place the number filter. For this you need to click this filter arrow, and now you can click this number filter. I think it's over than, yeah, greater than. Again, listing amount, number filters, greater than, and here you have to type. Okay, So now we have only 5 properties which are over 1500,000. So we are done with step number 3. Moving to step number 4, that is go to Quinn Properties worksheet, which contains a table named Quinn for Helena Quinn's Properties. This is the Quinn Properties, and it says unfreeze the pans of the worksheet because it is not long or wide enough to scroll. Okay, because it's a smart short one, that's they want us that it should be unfreezed. Okay, so for this you need to go to the view tab, and here in the freeze pan section, click here and unfreeze it. Now you see it is unfreezed and it is moving horizontally and vertically as well. So we are done with the step number 4. Moving to step number 5, Teresa asks you to emphasize the data by property type and listing amount, and to display the average amount of listing the sales. Modify the Quinn's table as follows. Remove the filter from the Quinn's table to display all the data. Now you see there have been a filter applied to it. To see, you need to go to the data tab, and here you can see the filter has been applied. We have to uncheck it. Okay, so you can click the filter again. Well, first of all you need to select anywhere in the table. When you select it, you can see the filter icon is enabled. You have to click it again. Now you see all the filter have been removed from this Quinn table worksheet. Sort the data in ascending order, first by the property type and then descending order by the listing amount. So we have a 2 sorting right there in this table. It's already selected to a range, not a table. It's not a table no more. So we have to sort it. Okay, so the custom sorting will be there. So you click anywhere, and you need to go to the sort, and here you need to specify the column. The first is ascending order by property type. So you need to click the property type, and by default it is ascending, so you do not need to change it. Okay, by default this order is always ascending. So now you have to click add a level, because we want the second listing sorting as well, and then in descending order by listing amount. Now we have to select listing amount, and now as I told you, by default it is ascending, but in this case we need descending, so we need to change it to largest to smallest. Click OK. Now it has been sorted as per the criteria which was given. Insert a total row in the Quinn table. This is the Quinn table. So whenever you ask to assign a insert a total row, you need to go to the table design tab, and here you can click the total row. That's it. Total row has been inserted, you can see. Anyhow, if you are finding it difficult because it has almost 10 steps remaining as well, you can text me on the WhatsApp, or you can email me. Share your files with me over the WhatsApp, and I will complete the assignment for you and send it back the file to you, and then you can submit it. Use the total row to calculate the average listing amount and the average sales amount. So again we have to, what is that? Use the total row to calculate the average sales. So definitely it will be a count function, sorry, sum function, and this one should also be sum. Okay, in cell A11, change the text to average to indicate what the amount represents. A11. Here we need to specify average. Sorry, we need to type it. Okay, average. That's it. So we are done with step number 5 as well. Moving to step number 6, that is go to Quartz property worksheet. Agar Quartz has sold more properties than any other agent. Tessera wants you to summarize the Quartz property data using subtotals to show the value of the property of each type. Modify the Quartz data as follows. Go to the Quartz property. This is the Quartz property. Quartz or Quartz, you can pronounce it in your own way. Sort the Quartz table in ascending order by the property type. This is the property type, so we have to sort it in ascending order. Okay, so click this and sort A to Z. Now it is sorted in ascending order. Convert the table to a normal range. You can see this is the table. So if you want to convert it to a range, select anywhere in the table. The table design tab appears, and here you have the option of convert to a range. The pop-up will appear confirming that you really want to change it to normal range. Click yes. Moving to step, it is the 6th number, and point C. Insert a subtotal into the range A2 to F17 with the subtotal appearing at each change in the property type column. A2 to F17, we have to insert a subtotal. For this you need to go to the table tool, data tab, and here in the outline group you need to click subtotal. So a pop-up will appear. It will say at each change in, we have to define each change in property type, and then it says add subtotal using sum function to the listing amount and the sales amount. So it is the sum function, and the listing amount and the sales amount should be checked. Now you can see at each change in the property type, hostel type, you can see they have summed up the city and listing amounts. Okay, moving to step number 7, that is go to Macos worksheet, properties worksheet, the Macos table on the worksheet list commercial properties for Constantine. Macos, format the table to match the other in the workbook as follows. This is the Macos properties worksheet, and we have to apply the olive green table style medium 5. So select anywhere in the cell in the table design tab appear, the table style is there. Now we have the option to change to olive green table medium 5. Display the filter buttons. Now you see no filter buttons are applied. So when you click anywhere in the table, you will see a table design tab appear, and from this button you can apply the filter buttons. You can see the filter buttons are applied now. So we are done with the step number 7 as well. Teresa knows that the Macos table includes a duplicate record and asks you to remove it. Use a table tool to remove the duplicate record based on the values in all the columns of the table. So you can see the table, this table is selected. You need to click the table design tab, and here you need to click the to remove duplicates. Now it asks us which column has a duplicate record, so we need to select all. Okay, so click OK. Now it says 1 duplicate values found and removed. 11 unique values remain. Note the account may include empty cells or spaces. That's it. So we are done with this step as well. I think that's it for this video. If you want me to do the next part of it, do do text me on the WhatsApp. You can email me also. Just share your files with me. I will do the complete assignment for you and send it to you again. Then you can submit it and get it graded. It's a very economical service in terms of price and 24/7 available, so you can text me around the clock. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.